Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fluent Start English Channel. Today, we have a very beautiful and simple story for you. The story is called The Magic Garden. It is an easy story for beginners, so you can listen, learn, and enjoy English at the same time. Once upon a time, there was a small village. The village was quiet, and many kind people lived there. The houses were small, with red roofs and white walls. Around the village there were green fields, tall trees, and colorful flowers. In this village lived a little girl. Her name was Lena. Lena was 8 years old. She had big brown eyes and long black hair. She loved to smile, and she loved to play outside. Lena lived with her mother, father, and little brother. Her family was poor, but they were happy. They worked hard every day, and they loved each other. Lena liked to walk in the fields. She liked to look at the butterflies, the birds, and the flowers. She always dreamed of finding something special. She wanted to see a secret place. One day, Lena said to her mother, "Mother, I want to go for a walk in the forest. Can I go?" Her mother said, "Yes, Lena, but be careful. Do not go too far." Lena smiled and said, "I will be careful, Mother." And she started her walk. The forest was big and beautiful. The trees were tall and the air was fresh. Lena walked and walked. She sang a little song. She looked at the flowers and the birds. After some time, she saw something strange. Behind a big tree, there was a small wooden door. It was not a normal door. It was round, and it was very old. Ivy and green plants grew all around it. Lena said, "What is this? I have never seen this door before." She touched the wood. The wood was warm. She pushed it slowly, and surprise! The door opened. Behind the door, there was a small path. The path was bright. The grass was shiny, and the flowers looked like stars. It was different from the normal forest. Lena felt excited. She said, "This is magic! I found a secret place!" And she walked inside. The path took Lena to a big garden. It was not a normal garden. It was a magic garden. The flowers were red, blue, yellow, and purple. Some flowers could sing. Some flowers could dance. The trees were tall and golden. Their leaves shone in the sun. Birds with rainbow feathers flew from tree to tree. Butterflies were as big as Lena's hand. In the middle of the garden, there was a fountain. The water was silver. It looked like the moon. When the water moved, it made soft music. Lena said, "This garden is beautiful. I want to stay here forever." Suddenly, she heard a voice. "Hello, little girl. Welcome to the magic garden." Lena looked around. She saw a small fairy. The fairy had golden hair, small wings, and a blue dress. She was smiling. "Who are you?" asked Lena. "I am Mira, the fairy of the garden," the fairy said. "This is a secret place. Only kind hearts can find this door. Lena asked, "Am I allowed to be here?" The fairy laughed. "Yes, Lena, you are kind and you love nature. That is why you found this garden." Lena felt happy. She said, "Thank you, Mira. Can I look around?" "Yes, Lena. You can play here, but remember, magic is strong. Always be good and careful." Lena walked in the garden. She touched the flowers, and they sang songs for her. She looked at the trees, and they told her stories. She ran with the butterflies, and they showed her the sky. Soon, she saw a rabbit. The rabbit was white, and it wore a little red hat. The rabbit said, "Hello, Lena. Welcome to our garden." Lena was surprised. "You can talk?" The rabbit laughed. "Of course I can talk. This is a magic place. Everything can talk here." The rabbit's name was Pip. He liked to jump, run, and tell funny jokes. Lena laughed and played with Pip. Then she met a bird. The bird was green and blue. Its name was Tico. Tico loved to sing songs. He sang soft songs and Lena danced. Later, she met a small cat. The cat was black with golden eyes. Its name was Lulu. Lulu liked to sleep, but she also liked to tell wise words. Lena said, "I am so happy. I have so many new friends." Mira, the fairy, came back. She said to Lena, "In this garden, every visitor can make one wish. If your heart is pure, the wish will come true." Lena was excited. "One wish? Really? Anything I want?" "Yes, Lena. But remember, the wish must be kind. It cannot hurt anyone." Lena thought for a long time. She did not wish for toys. She did not wish for sweets. She did not wish for gold. She said, "I wish my family can always be happy. I wish my little brother can grow strong. I wish my mother and father can rest because they work so hard." The fairy smiled. "That is a very kind wish. Your heart is good, Lena. Your family will be happy, strong, and safe." The fountain in the garden shone bright. The silver water rose high, and soft music filled the air. Lena felt warm and safe. The sun was going down. The sky turned orange and pink. Mira said, "Lena, the garden is magic, but you cannot stay forever. You must go home now." Lena felt a little sad. "But I love this place. I don't want to leave my new friends." Mira smiled. "You can always come back. The door will open for you because you are kind. And remember, the magic is also in your heart. If you are kind, you will always have happiness." Lena hugged her friends, Pip the rabbit, Tico the bird, and Lulu the cat. She said goodbye to the garden. She walked back to the small wooden door, she pushed it, and she was back in the normal forest. The air was quiet. The trees were normal again. Lena ran home. Her mother said, "Welcome back, Lena. You are smiling. Did you have a good walk?" "Yes, Mother. I had a very good walk." She looked at her little brother and smiled. she knew her wish was safe. From that day, Lena's family felt happier. Her brother grew stronger. Her parents felt less tired. They laughed more and they smiled more. Lena never told anyone about the garden. It was her secret. Sometimes she went back to the forest. She opened the little wooden door. She met Mira, Pip, Tico, and Lulu again. The garden always welcomed her. It was always bright, beautiful, and full of songs. And that's the end of our story, friends. I hope you enjoyed listening to The Magic Garden. If you like this story, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like and comment below. Your support makes us happy and helps us bring more stories for you. See you soon with another fun and easy English story. Bye-bye.